Hello everyone, welcome to day 45 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge, and happy Valentine's Day everyone. So as a Valentine's Day special, we have done this stitch instead of a normal swatch. So this is more like a crochet heart lace, and this is a very simple pattern, though it might look a bit complicated to understand. It's actually a very simple pattern. So you can decide on how many hearts that you want and just multiply it by 5 to create the foundation chain. So let me just show you. I'm going to start off. I'm just going to make 2 hearts just for the sake of the tutorial. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Now start off with 1 chain, 1 more extra chain, slip stitch onto the first one, skip 1, and into this one you're going to make 2 double crochets, 1 triple crochet. If you want a more pointier heart, at this point you can just add a picot stitch as well. Okay, the one that I've done here, it's just a normal heart. If you want a more pointier heart, you can just add a picot stitch, make 1 double crochet and 1 more double crochet. So this forms the first heart, and now again slip stitch, skip 1 and slip stitch. Okay, so this is going to secure the bottom part. Now again slip stitch onto the next one, and now into this one again skip 1, go to the next one. You do the same thing, 2 double crochets, sorry, 1 triple, then 1 triple crochet, okay, then chain 3 for the picot stitch, slip stitch onto the base. Okay, again make 2 double crochets, skip 1 and slip stitch. Okay, so it should look something like this. Now the top part, it looks empty. So what we are going to do is we are going to find that very first stitch that we did all these stitches into, and we are going to make 3 double crochets, okay, slip stitch, and 3 double crochets. Okay, then again slip stitch into the stitch that you skipped right here, and now continue making the next one. So this is a heart with a blunt end, and this is a heart with a pointy end. Okay, so do try out this pattern, and if you have any doubts, please leave it in the comment section, and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet pattern. Thank you.